All right, guys. Continuing up from yesterday. You see me, I'm in a West Coast Loop Tech merch again. Hit me up, Mobile Tech, San Diego, California. Mobile maintenance, fluids, brakes. We're here at O'Reilly's picking up the oil pan and some oil for the 2016 Honda Civic with the cracked oil pan. We are here at O'Reilly's. I got Benji right here, ready for another day, another productive day. He's been a grumpy boy today. He doesn't want to eat breakfast, but we're gonna get it going. We're gonna get this day going, man. Finish up this job on the Civic and on to the next. Like and subscribe. Comment for more. All right, guys. So we just picked up the new oil pan. It's looking good. Looking real good. Looking nice. Again, 2016 Honda Civic. Oil pan replacement. Got the oil pan, got some brake clean. Got a blade scraper, scrape off the old gasket, make a nice clean surface for the gaskets to stick to. Got the oil over there. Gonna get some food first because we're starving, we're hungry. Gotta put some fuel in the body before we start working.
Daddy, what's the water like this?
And stay hydrated. That's a muscle car, Benji. It's not a lowrider. I don't know what this is, guys, but check it out. It looks like a Barracuda. A little Barracuda. We are O'Reilly's, my local O'Reilly's. Nice Barracuda. That's a crazy window back there. Hey, what year's your Barracuda?
64.
64. Nice, man.
First year.
Nice.
Thanks. She needs paint again. But,
Yeah.
I got it from the original owner, so
Oh,
I've had it
nice.
for a long time.
Yeah.
I got a 68 Caprice also.
Oh,
in better
nice.
shape.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Square body?
Looks like an Impala.
Okay. Oh, so it's more glass house style.
Yeah.
Sorry about that, man.
These are about 74.
What are your plans with this one? Did you restore it?
Yeah. It runs great.
Yeah.
It's just, cosmetic.
Yeah. Little TLC.
Yeah.
Right on, man. Enjoy your day.
All right. Take it easy.
Yeah, man. Get out there, man. Get out there in the world and network with the people, man. Everyone's always stuck on their phones all day. Just be on the phone all day long. Thank you. Mingle with the people, man. Thank you. Appreciate that. Yes, sir. We'll check back in, man. When we get to the replacement spot, we'll be working that. Get some food, probably some Mexican food. See you guys in a bit. Yep, man. Gotta eat, man. I don't know what them two guys are doing back there, but they looking kind of sketchy, my boy. Good old Cali burrito. We're back here at the Civic. Just getting back. Got some food. This is day 2 of this repair. We should be able to close this out today. Get it filled up with oil. Get them back on the road. On to the next repair. Diag, whatever it will be. Wherever universe takes me. Just checking in, man. Just shooting the shit with you guys. You know, keep me in the algorithm. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend. Yeah. All right, guys, we're back. I'm getting the tins off the oil pan from around. The oil pan, if you can see, they're all gone. So if you're doing this is 2016 Honda Civic, right? There are 2 tins right here. There's a flywheel where the flywheel attaches. There's 2 tins in there. See them? One right there, one right there. Don't forget to take those off. You're not gonna be able to remove the oil pan without getting those tins off. Just a FYI, if you're doing an oil pan gasket or replacing an oil pan on a 2016 Honda Civic, this is the turbo one. I haven't mentioned that yet in the video, but this is the turbo 2016 Honda Civic. All right. Progress is going good. Just working at it slowly, surely, taking my time. I'm in no rush, you know? All right, guys, checking in. So, we got the oil pan off. It's fully off. Something I want to show you guys. Kind of weird to me. Let me flip this around. Check it out. All right, back. It's kind of hot today here in San Diego. Benji's gonna get ready to go to the pool with his cousins. Just chilling. So, we got the oil pan all the way off. I noticed there was an O-ring here. For the oil filter. Oil filter. It was an O-ring here. I called my local parts store. They said they do not carry an O-ring for the oil pan. No type of gasket. So that's where I am currently with this repair. There's a new oil pan. Looking good. I hope I've been recording good with this tripod. I got a tripod I'm working on this time. Hopefully it's getting some good, steady video. Yeah. I'll show you guys up under what it looks like. What I'm working with. Oil sump. It looks like, oh, this is plastic. 2016 turbo Civic. Ran over a bottle jack. Looks like the oil sump is good. We got the oil pan off. Take a look at that. Fucking crank. Rods. Gotta get that. I have to scrape this old gasket off right here. It's gonna be fucking fun. That's gonna be a good time, right? Scraping that gasket off. If anybody already knows what's up.
Mommy.
They know. If you know, you know. Benji's excited to go to the pool. Look at, there's another O-ring right there. even you guys can see. Bam. Look, there's another one. There has to be an O-ring kit for this. Ugh. Look at that O-ring. Alright. So you guys just saw me have two O-rings come off the block. Alright. O'Reilly's is saying they don't carry an O-ring for this. Now, some O'Reilly. Hold on, let me get up. Let me talk to you guys for this. Now, I love O'Reilly's, man. I love O'Reilly's. I love my local O'Reilly's parts supplier. But some of the employees, man, are not my favorite. All right?
Shut up, Caleb. Vanderbilt don't deserve it.
They're not my favorite. I love O'Reilly's as a company. I love how they serve the community. I'm not a big fan of AutoZone either, man. You know? Especially the one over here. I'm not going to put them on blast. But LG 1207 AutoZone, if you know, you know. Bro, don't waste your time, man. O'Reilly's is the spot. Sometimes the employees is a little, a little cray-cray. But we're going to figure it out. We're going to get there. We might have to go to dealer. We might have to go to the dealer and see what's up with these O-rings. Because it's Sunday too. So let's see what's popping. I'm going to take a break, drink some water. Kind of brainstorm on what is my next move. And go from there, man. Like and subscribe. Share. Shoot a comment.
Yeah! Yeah,
Alright guys, we back. Figured that those O-rings are gonna be for the dealer. From the dealer. So for now, I'll just clean up the surface for now. Make it nice and clean. Like I said, I'm in no rush. No rush at all, man. Pretty sure you guys don't want to see me scrape the gasket off this shit. It's pretty boring. So, catch up with you guys. We're at a stalemate. We gotta wait for those O-rings before we put anything back together. So I'll just use this time to make things look nice. And yeah, just clean up the area as best as I can. I'm just doing this job for a favor, you know. This is like family to me, so I'm just doing this for content and experience. Knocking the rust off, trying to get back in the groove of things, trying to record, trying to start YouTube, trying to see if I can YouTube. I don't know, man. It is what it is. Shoot me a shout out. All right, quick update for you guys. Honda bar, can't go wrong. All day long, it's gonna stay strong for the oil pan, right? I got the block, bottom of the block all cleaned up. I haven't hit it with any brake clean yet. I'm about to hit it with some brake clean and the nice old shop towel. Bam. It's going good, man. Like I said, I'm not in a rush. Just trying to stay consistent with more things in life. Looking good. Cleaning up really good. Probably gonna be on standby till tomorrow until we can get these O-rings, because I'm not putting it back together without those. It's not happening. But yeah, surface looks good, nice and clean. I'm hitting with some brake clean. It'll be even nicer after that. There is you can see how it looked before in the other clip of the video. Yeah, I hope I'm holding the phone right. Yeah, looking good. Now, he did hit a bottle jack, so I'm cautious that there is some metal, maybe little pieces of metal in here. There wasn't any in the oil pan. It broke clean off, like there was just a big chunk missing. So I want to be safe, and I'm gonna flush it with some oil before I actually fill it up. But we're looking good, man. Like I said, I'm not in a rush. We're gonna get this done. Call dealership tomorrow for those O-rings. We got 2 that go here. All right, we got 2 that go here, 1 that goes here. And that's a dowel pin for the oil pan. The sump did not get damaged. He missed it by a hair. It's plastic too, so if you would have broke it, we would know. But it's still intact. Like I said, it could be very worse. Do me a favor, Ken, and pull that dipstick up for me.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, get that dipstick up out of there. Like I said, gasket is looking good. I'll get up in there for you guys. Take pride in your work. Do clean work. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit more because I got time. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the video right there. Back in action. It's a beautiful day in San Diego. You know, we're back at the 2016 Civic. Just want to close out this video. We got the oil pan off today. Point at the oil pan. Thank you. Back over here. She's new. Don't worry. It's her first time. I remember my first time, right? We can all remember our first time, right? Anyway, old oil pan. We're on standby. Tomorrow we got to get some small O-rings that go in the oil pan before we can complete the repair. O'Reilly's, our local parts stores, don't have them. Get that. What is that? What is that? That's mud? Or you stepped in something else? Get it, get it, get it. Let me put it on camera. Benji, we're making a video. You're on video right now. What is that? Ugh. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna continue the video for another day. Yeah, sorry to drag it on. I'm probably just fucking rambling, but I'm new at this stuff, man. Let's just keep it going. Keep it going. Benji, wanna help me close out the video for today?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Let's back up. What do you want to say? What do you want to say to the people?
I went underwater and that.
Oh, he went underwater today. He was. Tell him about your experience. How was that? You went underwater? Fingers out your mouth.
Not good.
It wasn't good. It was his first time going underwater. You gonna try it again? See, you didn't put some dirt in your mouth.
No.
Oh, don't. Oh. Anyways, you gonna try it again?
Yeah, I get big.
When you get bigger? You ready to start school?
Yeah.
You want to cut your hair for school?
Yeah.
Tell the people.
I'm gonna cut my hair. I will go to school.
Yeah. All right. Anyways, peace. See you tomorrow.